water here.
About 10 meters.
10 meters.
It's okay. Some photos.
It's okay. You want to swap?
Guys, they're doing simple.
Huh?
It's good.
Yeah, you can swap with
Yeah.
Let me photo.
Give me phone and we can take it together.
Later when you pass in the middle, it's an Instagram shot. Okay, when you take pictures, keep your phone inside the boat. Don't take selfie.
Okay.
Because most likely you are not going to drop it. Someone knock onto you. Like you're taking selfie, someone trip and then that's it, gone. But Apple shop is here lah. That's the only consolation. If you drop your bag, you go to LV shop. Other than that, we can't do anything.
Thank you.
So have you all walked around, all of you? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India? You?
Philippines.
Philippines. Also not together? No?
Not together. Philippines.
Separate. Oh.
Ah.
Then two of you together?
China.
Ah, two of you,
China, yeah.
and then two of you. From, they're all different group, huh?
Okay, anyone you want to try this boat, you all can take turn.
I can.
Huh?
Okay,
Go.
you all-